Hello, my name's Andrew Denton. I'm going to read you The Little Elephant's Big Adventure by Walter Yobu, illustrated by Mashala Goodluck. You ready? Let's go. Kadu was a little elephant who wanted to go on a big adventure. She planned to visit a distant forest. She started the journey at midnight. When Kadu reached a village, dogs barked and chased her. Kadu fought them off. Kadu did not give up. By morning, Kadu had reached the big city. Kadu saw wide roads and lots of cars. She saw tall buildings and many people. Crossing the busy road was frightening. Meep, 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 meep. Kadu saw a girl and asked for help. She said, "Yes, I'll help you. My name is Susie." Susie held Kadu's trunk. Together, Kadu and Susie safely crossed the road. Kadu was very grateful. She gave Susie a ride on her back. Kadu carried Susie all the way to her school. Kadu wanted to go to school too. Soon, it was time to say goodbye. Kadu was ready to continue her journey. Finally, she arrived in the forest. What an amazing journey it had been.